How to use quick login on Roblox. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox and click on three dots located on bottom right corner of your screen. And you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply scroll down and you'll find quick sign in. In here, you need to add code of another account or another device code which will be given. And to find that code, simply go to back page and then click on switch account, click on login to existing account and click quick sign in. After that, you'll find one option which is QR code. Simply scan from another device or simply add code, which is the option 2. And this is how to use quick login on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.